Hi guys, it was a long time we did a video. Well, I am back. I have polenta biscuits to cook. Well, I got the recipe from this book. So we need zest and juice from one orange, 150 grams of flour, 100 grams of melted butter, 100 grams of sugar, 50 grams of polenta. Let's start. So we sift the flour. We add polenta. Now we add sugar. And finally, at last, butter. But now we have to put it in the mixer. Mix it on low speed for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we need to add the zest to the bowl and add juice. Mix together on low speed for about 2 to 3 minutes. Turn on the oven. Fan force 150 degrees, other ovens 180 degrees. Get the tray ready and put some baking paper on the bottom. Now our mixture should be ready. If it's too soft, add some flour. Now we need to make some little balls out of our mixture and put them onto the baking paper. If the dough is too sticky, you can put your face in the flour. Just baking. You can put your fingers in the flour so it doesn't stick to your hand. Now we bake for 10 minutes. Good!
Feeling the sunshine, lay down in the sand, relax just like a bee. But all of a sudden, a crab bit me. Oh, snap, snap, that naughty crab. Snap, snap, he likes to grab. Snap, snap, my poor big toe. Scuttle, 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 and off he goes.
So now our cookies are done. We can turn them off of the oven. Ooh, they are so cute. Hey guys, come try it. Taste it. Come. Come. What? Why is nobody coming? Yummy.
Bon, beat.